I grew up in Manchester. As many people know, Manchester is a very creative city. I knew there was very famous bands. I knew there was bands like the Smiths, the Stone Roses, Oasis. So there was already a tradition of amazing music for me to aspire to be like. So naturally, I did the thing that most young boys do, which is pick up a guitar. I started learning guitar, and then quickly I did the other thing which a lot of young people do, which is start a band. And when we started this band, amazingly, because Manchester has so many venues, we got gigs at the age of 13. So we would do unsigned nights, which is basically where you can just ask to play. We had real venues, which, I mean, even today, big acts playing, but we could still access them. And from there, we actually were spotted by someone who had connections, and they got us a gig when we were 14 years old with a guy called Ian Brown. For those of you who don't know, Ian Brown is the lead singer of Stone Roses, who's one of Manchester's most famous bands. So 14 years old, we supported one of the biggest artists in Manchester. And I think that kind of reflected that people in the city want to provide opportunity and they want you to do well. And now in my work, that's what I want to give back. I want as many people to have access to opportunities. And that's why I work for Factory International in Factory Academy. Factory Academy is about making pathways into the creative industries, free of charge, really clear. Here's how you apply. You don't have to pay anything. You can meet loads of other people. And hopefully from these sort of initiatives that cultural organisations that we do, we make the next creators of tomorrow. We make the next big bands that make Manchester proud. So that's a little bit about how Manchester shaped my creativity and how, as an organisation, I'm trying to help other people.